One of the main lifts you will encounter in your workplace is the squat lift. Step 1. Ensure you have a stable base of support. Notice that the subject's feet are slightly less than shoulder width apart. This will provide you with increased balance and reduced pressure on the knees. You may increase this base of support by putting one foot slightly in front of the other. Step 2. Begin the squat and ensure that your feet remain fully on the ground. Throughout the lift, you are driving up through your heels, but the ball of the foot is also planted. You never want your weight to be on the ball of your feet or on your toes. Also, make sure you don't allow your knees to extend beyond your toes. Step 3. Maintain the natural curve in your back, keeping your shoulders back, and do not round the back, and keeping your gaze straight ahead. Looking up or down can put your neck in an unsafe position. Remember to co-contract your abdominal muscles to ensure a stable core, and stick your buttocks out to assist in maintaining the natural curve in your lower back. Continue to slowly bend your knees while keeping your back straight and do not lean forward. Maintain constant, slow, and controlled. Once you pick up the item while ensuring you have a good grip, slowly return to the starting position while keeping your back straight and the object as close to you as possible. Exhale as you push through the heels and stand tall.